everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to assemble our generative design. So first go to assemble, click on joint. Okay, this window will open. Now select the two components for joining. So first I'm going to click the upper shaft. So just click the outer edge of the upper shaft. So just like this. Okay, now click the upper hole of your rear leg. So just zoom in a bit and click on it. Okay, as you can see it has been attached. And now change the type of the joint. So as you can see, initially the type of joint is rigid, change this to revolute. So I have done it. Okay, as you can see it is rotating. Just drag it and make it to the end of your leg. Okay, I'm just dragging it. Now okay, to the 5 mm and just hit okay. Now do the same to the another one. So just rotate it, click on first joint. Again you have to select two components. So I'm selecting one by one. Just rotate a bit and select the outer edge of your shaft and then select the outer edge of your arm. Okay, as you can see it has been made and the joint is type revolute. Click on OK. So as you can see it has been jointed by the revolute joint. Now this is the same thing you have to do for the front leg also. Okay, so I have to join the front leg with the A1. Okay, so as you can see the one thing is missing, that we haven't dragged it to the end. So just go to timeline, right click and click on edit joint. Now you will be here, click on it and just drag it outwards by 5. Okay, you are done. Now you have to join your front leg. So again just click on the outer edge of your small shaft for joining the front leg to the rear leg. Okay, go to assemble, click on joint. Okay, it's asking for continuing or capture position. Just click on continue. Okay, now click on the outer edge of your hole of your leg and then click on the outer edge of your shaft. Okay, you are done, and as you can see it has been joined by the revolute joint. Okay, now adjust it to somewhat near to middle so that you can adjust about 2 arms it there, because we are going to mount the 2 legs, the front and the rear legs, to this shaft only. So somewhat to the near. Okay, now again go to assemble, click on joint, and now just click on the outer edge of this and the edge of this. Okay, and this will be joined by the revolute joint. Again just drag it somewhat, because you know that the 2 shafts are going to be attached out here. So just drag it somewhat outwards. Okay, just like this, and hit OK. So as you can see you have done it. Now what you have to do, you have to join your front leg with the rear leg. Okay, so go to assemble, again join, just click on capture position. Basically the initial position will be set if you click on capture position. Go to the outer edge, then the outer edge of your small shaft. Okay, as you can see it has been joined by the revolute joint. Okay, just like this, you are done. Again you have to do the same thing for the another leg. So again just click on the outer edge, and the edge of this, your small shaft, using the revolute joint. Just drag it to the near for the proper gapping. Okay. And you can zoom in always for the better working. Done. And just hit OK after that. And we have done it. So as you can see, you have completed your design. So this is the same thing you have to do for the motor and the wheels also, and you will get your final assembly. Let's see it. So now I am joining the motor with the legs using the joints. I am using the revolute joints. You have to do the same thing again and again. Just click on assemble, again click on join, select the type of joint, that is the revolute joint. Okay, and then select the components which you have to make the joint, that is the motor with the legs. Then you have to do the same thing with the wheels and motors also, and you will get your final result as your rocker bogie. That's a generative design of your rocker bogie. Okay, so I'm just fast forwarding it. You can see it, and previously I have told you how to make this, how to make the joints and all in the legs also. Okay, so you can see. So now after assembling everything, you can see that your rocker bogie is now complete. So this much for this video. In next video we are going to add the name in this, and if you like this video and like the tutorial, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.